Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 3rd and final email automation trick that will help you take your email marketing to the next level. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. And one final email automation trick inside of Kajabi, a way to add more value to your paying customers and offer your paying customers more product automatically, and your paying customers are way more likely to buy from you than new prospects are to buy from you, is to create an automation that strategically gives them more and an offer to buy more at a specific time after they've purchased. If that doesn't make sense, check this out. What you want to do, go back to email campaigns and create a new email sequence. And we'll do extra, we'll call this extra offer after mini course, let's say. And what I want to do is twofold. In this sequence, I want to offer them a sneak peek of another product and then give them a chance to buy that product, a relevant product. So let's say, for example, I've sold them a course, a mini course on, how to do like at-home workouts, like simple at-home workouts you can do during quarantine. And so they've purchased that, but I have a full-blown flagship workout course, transformation course that I want to offer them. And it has a really, really cool element to it that has to do with body weights, how you can get a great workout without using regular weights, or my favorite move or something like that. So I might be able to do like my favorite body hack, and I can make this bonus video. So they're going to be likely to want to open it. And I can tell them that I have this flagship course called Total Awesome Bod, and in it there's a great video, if I could type, a great video on my favorite body hack. I thought you might enjoy checking it out for free as my gift to you. Click here. We mentioned the flagship course, and then what we can do is upload, what I love about Kajabi is unlimited landing pages. So what I would do is take the one video module, let's say from a course, upload it to a page under Kajabi Pages. That's just a simple video page, right? What we want to do is, before I save this, is set this sequence to start sending a certain number of days after they purchased. So what I like to think about is how long will it take for them to purchase, or go through the course that I got. So let's say it's a mini course. Let's say we'll give them 7 days. So we'll make this, 7 days, a week after someone is subscribed to this sequence, and I'll show you how this works. We'll click save. Week after they subscribe, send them this email. What we can do is add another email to it, and this will be the next day, and it could be like special pricing on my flagship course. And then you could just tell them, hey, I'm offering you a deal on my flagship course because you purchased the mini course or whatever, and link to it there. What we're doing is taking people who are most likely to buy from us, people who have already bought from us, and offering them more in 2 ways. A free sneak peek of something, so it's just value add over deliver as a thank you, and then a special price on something else. They're more likely to take advantage of that. Now, who's gonna get this email? Okay. okay? You can trigger this from here or from somewhere else. Let's add the trigger. Who's gonna get this? When someone has purchased an offer, okay? So when an offer is purchased, which offer? My first mini course offer for 49 bucks, okay? And so here's the deal. When someone's purchased my first mini course, subscribe to this email sequence, but I'm gonna add a condition. I'm gonna do this only if they do not own this flagship course. I haven't created it yet. So let's say the flagship course was actually a membership, okay? You don't wanna obviously send this offer to someone who already has your flagship course, but we can, through simple but powerful email automation, we can, the moment someone purchases one course, we can subscribe them to this sequence. It doesn't happen for another week or 2 or a month, whatever you want, and make sure it only goes to people who don't already have this product. Click apply, click save. Now it's automated. Anytime someone buys this mini course, let's say, they're automatically in the background going to be subscribed to this sequence that's delayed by however many days you want or weeks, which sends them an over deliver, sends them a special offer. It can be a whole launch week. It can be 1 email. It could be 5, whatever you want it to be. And it's going to segment out based off of who has that product or not. And it's just going to give you a chance to boost your revenue. Think of it as an upsell, but delayed after they've purchased. And it's all automated. It all helps you make more money and expand your value offering to the people that are more likely to buy from you anyway. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.